Question 1. Explain in details about game testing. What needs to mainly verify by a game tester for any kind of computer or mobile games? Answer. Game tester is performing similar kind of job what one software tester has been done. They normally identified the bugs, reporting the same to the developer, and testing again after the fixing. They also ensure the game has been designed properly as per the designer expectation and performance should be considered. Question 2. Some common gossip in the current industry that game testing job is really very fun job as one tester can able to play the game without invest. Is it really true? Answer. Again, game tester job is absolutely similar to a software tester job. It is not at all easy to identify bugs frequently of a game, as they need to continue playing the game for entire 1 month or more for identifying some bugs and report it. Also, they have to regenerate the same in front of a developer for resolving purpose. They also have big pressure on usable delivery of the game. Question 3. What is QA in gaming? Answer. Game producers are responsible for setting testing deadlines in coordination with marketing and quality assurance. Lead tester. Test lead or QA lead is the person responsible for the game working correctly and managing bug lists. A lead tester manages the QA staff. Question 4. Explain about each and every process followed by the game tester in case of testing any game designed for computer or mobile. Answer. This is the basic objective game testing interview question asked in an interview. One game tester should need to follow below approaches anytime for doing proper testing and architectural design for any game testing properly done. Some of the below key processes have to follow by one game tester: storyboard, game architecture, features of the game, characteristics, key points of the game, stages and clear concepts of the game. Question 5. Explain about varieties kind of testing available in the current industry specifically in game development. Answer. Several kinds of testing available for the game tester are combinational testing, testing for cleaning room, testing for ensuring functionality, testing for ensuring compatibility, tree testing, load and play testing. Question 6. Explain in details what kind of strategic conditions needs to be handled by one game tester at the time of testing the game in varieties way for ensuring it as bugles for the end user. Answer. One game tester needs to involve on varieties strategic approaches for developing their test cases architecture in case of any developed game. They have to ensure designer concept has been properly followed as well as a performance of the game should not be a doctorate in a system to system. The commonly ensuring below scenarios on their consideration strategies. Varieties kind of data available in scope, outer scope, deliverables timeline. Ensuring no impact on the same, calculating no of tester require for the game structure, have to be calculating proper testing cycle count for ensuring game quality, have to know about the type of testing need to be performed for ensuring the quality of the game, maintain one specific type of documenting defects, arguments need to be involved in case of level on services, calculate the risk on that specific game and submitting a plan for mitigation. Question 7. Explain about test technique available in the market in details and give some example of the exact purpose of using the same. Answer. Below techniques normally taken by any tester as well as a game tester. Write both the tester cases positive and negative. Evaluate any rectification in varieties exception paths for ensuring the quality of the product. Boundary value analysis or error guessing. Alpha, beta, and gamma testing. Question 8. Explain how can make yourself as a game tester. Answer. Obviously, one person who really have very big knowledge on the current game industry and critical understanding about some of the popular game and how to use or improve it can go for game tester career. Question 9. What can be assumed a salary of a game tester in current industry? Answer. Salary can be varied as like other industry. It can depend on the resource quality or proficiency in their job, but still compared to the current market situation, on an average basis, it will be in between $15,000 to $60,000 per annum. Question 10. Explain about your learning during work as a game tester in any industry. What kind of common challenges you have faced in your game testing career? Answer: some of the key challenges normally faced by one game tester are defined below. It is always impossible to test one game completely, as there may have several functionalities which might be missed by the tester. There does not have any defined process in the market for the game tester which needs to follow as an ultimate reference. Communication lack, timeline and ensuring coverage of test cases. Question 11. What education is needed to become a game tester? Answer: the education requirements for a video tester vary. Typically, employers require or prefer a degree in software development, computer programming, computer science, or another technical field, while certification in quality control or other technical fields is voluntary. It is recommended